Hello viewers, I am Christiana Balogun. Welcome to another episode of Relationship Tidbits. Hey beautiful lady, why are you in a rat race? All because you want to belong? Your spouse has been financially stretched to meet your demand. Give him peace of mind. Appreciate every effort of your husband. Don't be deceived for anything. Don't be high-handed. Break every worldly relationships that can lure you into an extravagant lifestyle. Live a life of moderation. Love your husband. Be mature and live a peaceable life. You are on your way to a happy marriage. God bless you. Till we meet again, stay humble. Bye. Please remember to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave a comment.